Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Doreen and welcome to today's video. So guys, in today's video I want to tag you along so that I can show you what we eat in a week. Okay, so guys, the first recipe I'm going to show you, the first meal we do in a week, it's Mokimo. So this is Mokimo. Mokimo is a traditional Kikuyu food, but we have already adopted it and we normally do it. So with this Mokimo, I'm going to do stew. I'm going to do beef stew. So with me here, I am making the sauce for the stew. I have some onions, tomatoes, some garlic and ginger. So the stew is ready, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to serve as you saw the Mokimo was ready as well. So guys, this is how I serve the Mokimo. As you can see, it's a complete meal because it has vegetables and it has some protein and starch at the same time. Okay, comment down below, let me know, have you ever tried this kind of meal? Comment down below, let me know in the conversation, guys. So guys, the second recipe I'm going to show you, I'm going to do chapatis, and I have a full recipe on how to cook chapatis on my channel. Actually, not even one, I have like 3 recipes of how to make chapatis, like 3 different flavors. Okay, so I'm going to link all the links in the description bar so that you can go and check them out. Okay, yeah, so here I'm not like giving you into details how to cook chapatis. I have that in details on different recipes, so please go and check them out. So guys, for these chapatis, I'm going to serve them with dengu. We call dengu green grams in English. Yeah, so I'm going to serve them with dengu, and I'm not going to do the ordinary dengus. I'm going to add some flavor on them. So I'm going to do something we call dengu curry. So I'm going to add some coconut milk, and yeah, so that's what I'll be doing. So guys, as you can see, the chapatis are ready and they look so soft and all that. And if you have noticed, if you have been in this channel, you have noticed that it's very rare to do white chapatis. Yeah, it's very rare. Like we normally like adding some flavor and some, some taste to the chapatis. Okay, yeah, so these are the dengus I'm talking about, the green grams. I'm going to add some coconut milk in it. You guys, comment down below, let me know, have you ever tried this kind of recipe? Comment down below, have you ever tried adding coconut milk to your dengu? And if you have not, gosh, I think it's time to try it out, because oh my god, it gives the dengu a different flavor, and it makes the dengus everything. You guys, you need to try them out, you guys. So guys, the next recipe here, the next day, we are going to have some chicken, and of course roast chicken, not stew. Yeah, because this is not Kenyan chicken, so we're going to do roast chicken. So all I did is I normally pan fry it. Like I have to seal it first before I put it to the oven. Like I need to make it firm and all that. It adds some flavor as well and all that. I also have recipes of full chicken on how to cook a roast chicken. I'm also going to link the rings so that you can check them out, you guys. So the chicken is ready. I'm serving it already, and we only don't have chicken, we have an accompaniment, and that's fries. So the potatoes are just chips, yeah, the normal chips, you guys, and the dinner will be ready. Comment down below, let me know, what is your accompaniment when it comes to roast chicken? Are you that kind of a person who loves rice, ugali when it comes to chicken? Comment down below, let me know in the comment section. So guys, the fries are here, they are ready, they have dried up and all that, and the table is all set, everything is ready, and people are ready to have their dinner. So guys, we are heading to the next recipe, whereby these are the ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. It's a Kenyan traditional food as well, That's githeri, you guys. As you can see, I have a lot of onions. I have some maize, some corn, I have some potatoes, I have some chilies over there, garlic and ginger, and tomatoes, you guys. So guys, in this recipe I want to do it in a different fashion. There are different ways you can cook githeri. Comment down below, let me know, like, how do you love your githeri? With potatoes and carrots, without? Do you add tomatoes, or you just fry it with onions and you are done? Comment down below, let me know in the comment section, because I would also love to try your recipes. Okay, yeah, so for me, this one I'm going to use the tomatoes, and I'm also going to use the potatoes and some carrots, you guys. So that's what I'm going to use. So basically the maize is boiled separately and the beans separately. I don't know how you do it, like you mix them like together when you cook it, when you boiling them. Let me also know in the comment section. So guys, the githeri is ready here, and all I'm doing, of course, you know me well, when it comes to coriander and when it comes to food to look good, I have to add some coriander on it. So this is the githeri, and the githeri is ready for dinner, and the dinner is complete, you guys. If you have avocado, you can add it, you can use it to as an accompaniment, or some cabbage, depending on what you prefer. But it's a complete meal, and we are good to go, you guys. So after this, we are going to the following day, and I hope you're enjoying this video, you guys. So the next day, I'm doing some beef fillet. So the beef is marinated and all that. Comment down below, let me know, do you want to know how I do marination of the beef here? Let me know in the comment section, because I've not done that for you guys. Let me know in the comment section, do you love to know how I marinate my beef? Let me know in the comment section. So you guys, all I'm doing is just pan frying the beef, and afterwards I'm going to slice some onions. Yeah, the normal onions, the red onion, and then I'm going to pass the beef inside the ready onions, and after that I'm going to serve it. I'm going to serve with some salad. Yeah, I'm going to serve with some salad. As you can see, if you are keen enough, if a day pass with starch, the following day we don't do starch. Okay, I don't know if you have noticed that. So yeah, so this is what I was telling you, how to pass your beef with onions and all that. So this beef is going to be served with some salad. Of course, the normal salad has the base, which is the lettuce, and then the other accompaniments, you can choose what you like when it comes to salad. Yeah, like for me, I have peppers, that's red, green and yellow peppers. I will also use some sweet corns. I will use some grapes, some apples and all that. Comment down below, do you want me to show you a full salad recipe, my favorite salad recipe, you guys? Comment down below, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so guys, the next meal you can not miss in your home is, if you Kenyan, or anyway, if you African, this is something you cannot miss, like ugali. How can you miss ugali in your recipe, in your meals in a week? So here we are going to do ugali, and I'm going to serve this ugali with matumbo, you guys. I have a full recipe on how to cook matumbo from scratch, like from washing the matumbo to cooking them to even eating. I have that in my channel. If you haven't watched that, please check it out, and you can get a new recipe and you can try it out with your family, with your friends, and the people around you guys. So this is the matumbo, and you guys, this is what we are going to have with, this is what we are going to serve the ugali with. Comment down below, like, do matumbo? You guys, do you do matumbo? So guys, that's what we normally have for dinner in this house. And there is one day I missed out, like I lost the crepes, whereby we normally do a pizza, because yeah, you need to at least spoil yourself once in a while, sindio. Yeah, so there's a day we normally do a pizza. I also have a recipe in my channel. Please go check out my pizza recipe from scratch, like from making the dough to making the whole pizza. Like, the process is there. So guys, that's basically it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Until my next one,